Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setup for today. So we are at a level of resistance at the moment, and if I just go to the weekly, you'll see there's nothing left, nothing at all. We are sort of hovering up here. The next logical step would be that weekly high, and then we have a weekly zone of support here at 4167. So when you look at this on the time frames we're looking to trade, there's the zone 4167 that we would love to see tested again, but I don't think that is on the cards at the moment. And then you can see we are breaking through this zone of resistance. So there's nothing else between 4872 and the all-time high at 41460. So that is very, very clear. Now if you drop down to the lower time frames, you'll start seeing that there will be one or two levels that will come into play. So that's pretty much it. There's nothing really else to write home about there. So I just want to maximize again, and we're just going to go straight down to the hour, because you can see this is a strong uptrend. You're either looking for a break of a range. If it does drift lower, which I doubt, I suppose this diagonal would also catch us. So the only thing that I can see is a pullback here to 4763, and that will give you the opportunity to buy all on the 15-minute. This will be a range, and you'll need to wait for the break and retest of the range. And there you go. A little bit messy. There are gaps here, so this is very much an option. 4760. See, the exact level is 4763, but there's a little bit of a gap below, so you would be wise just to load all the opportunities here. So you can see there's another area that you need to pay attention to. Now that just goes back to the weekly open, so probability of that happening is probably not that strong. So the next opportunity here is going to be support of 4872, which should close the daily gap at the moment. If you get price bouncing off here, so it's inside bars, engulfing bars, or pin bars, then you're looking for 41060 to the upside. Get through that, which is probably the one that I'd be more interested in, because then there's nothing stopping it until 41459. So that's kind of my view at the moment. I don't think you're going to drop to 4763. Maybe wrong, but if it does, I'd watch it carefully for an opportunity to get in. I think you're going to probably range a bit, bump your head up here, come back, test this area, and that will give you the opportunity to get in before running away. So yeah, that's kind of my view for today. It's not as clear cut as what it is on the S&P 500. I'm going to just zoom this in a little bit, so you can see how we're flirting with this top here. So I would just treat this as a range. Break above the high of yesterday, come back and test it. That gives you your opportunity. Okay, anyway, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.